In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All-Party Hurriyat Conference has thanked Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan and the Secretary General of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation Hossein Brahim Taha for highlighting the Kashmir dispute at the 48th session of the OIC's Council of Foreign Ministers in Islamabad. APHC General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that Kashmiris are heavily indebted to Pakistan and OIC for continuously supporting the Kashmir cause and apprising the world of their sufferings at the hands of fascist Modi regime. APHC AJK chapter convener Muhammad Farooq Rahmani, in a memorandum to the OIC Secretary General Hossein Brahim Taha, has apprised him of the political and human rights conditions and daily killing of innocent people in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. President of Pakistan, Dr. Arif Alvi, has urged the international community and the United Nations to stop the ongoing human rights violations being perpetrated by Indian troops in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In his address at the 75th Pakistan Day Parade today at the Parade Avenue in Islamabad, he termed the expansionist designs of India as a matter of concern for the security and stability of South Asia. However, he made it clear that Pakistan would never compromise on its sovereignty, as the whole nation and armed forces in particular are ready to thwart any hostility. APHC General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Irfani and other Hurriyat leaders, while extending warm wishes to Pakistan on the Pakistan Resolution Day today, prayed for peace, progress and prosperity of the country. They said strong and stable Pakistan is guarantee to the success of the Kashmir's ongoing freedom movement. Jammu Kashmir Salvation Movement Chairman Altaf Ahmed Butt, while greeting the government, army and the people of Pakistan on the Pakistan Resolution Day and terming it as the center of hope of Muslim Ummah, said the people of Jammu and Kashmir, being frontline soldiers for this country, hope that it will continue to share the immense sufferings they endure while fighting brutal Indian occupation. Meanwhile, Indian police arrested 3 Kashmiri youth during house raids in Srinagar, Shopian and Kulgam. Fake cases have been registered against the detained youth in their respective police stations. Kashmiri Pandit social activist Sunil Pandita, who recently spoke against the recently released controversial film The Kashmir Files, has gone into hiding after Hindutva extremists attacked his house in Kashmiri Pandit's colony in Jammu. Sunil, in a media interview at an undisclosed location, said that after his video went viral, some Hindutva goons camped outside his house, hurling live threats. He said the BJP has been using the issue of Pandits for political gains. Pertinently, Sunil Pandit, in a media interview with BBC and other media outlets, had said the film was made to help BJP in 2024 elections in India. At the United Nations, Pakistan has called for full compliance of the 1960 Indus Water Treaty between Pakistan and India. Addressing an event in connection with World Water Day in New York, Pakistan's permanent representative to the UN, Munir Akram, said full compliance of the Indus Water Treaty is critical for Pakistan, as changes on the other side of the border have direct impact on it.